Hey aspirants, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification for all the latest uploads. Well, hello aspirants and welcome to our channel, The Nation Needs You, all about SSB. So you all would be thinking that now I would be announcing the topic for lecturate that, in today's episode, we are going to discuss about so and so lecturate topic. I'm sorry. Today's point of discussion will be totally different from lecturate, but it is going to be something which is very genuine and very important for all of us, for all the aspirants who are trying to get the dream job, who are trying to land into their uniforms. It's very important to follow certain norms. And one of that norm is that please distance yourself from people who. Now, who are these people and what are the characteristics of these people? We are going to discuss about it in our later slides. But first of all, understand why is it important. It is important because it will affect you as an individual. It is important because it will divert you from your goal. It is important because whatever the plans that you are making for yourself in your life, every plan will get shattered if you're going to be in the company of these kind of people about whom we are going to discuss. It is important for you to utilize your time right now and do not fall in the trap of these kind of people. So what kind of people these are? Let's find it out one by one. So the first set of people are those who keep on complaining. For them, complaining is like breathing. For them, complaining is like the only thing that they want to do in their lives. They complain about every single thing. They'll complain about you, they'll complain about the next person, the third person, about themselves, about their life, about somebody else's life. So, complaining for them is something that they need to do in order to survive. These people are the source of negative energy. These people will never motivate you. These people are so demotivated by themselves that they don't have enough motivation for other people. And also, if you will go by the scientific data, by the different research work which has been done in psychological aspect of human beings, it has come out that those people who complain, they always see themselves as victims. Psychology, this sort of thinking process actually impacts the people who are in their company as well. For example, let's say that one of your friend is having this sort of attitude of complaining. Now what happens is, any plan which you will make, that person will complain about it. Any sort of situation in which you will find, a very good reason to enjoy, he or she will start complaining about that as well. Unfortunately, if you're going to land into relationship with them, if that person is your girlfriend or boyfriend, then I'm so sorry, just run away from that relationship. Else, all your energy, all your potential, everything which you are capable of doing will nullify to zero. So please stay away from those people who complain. Now, because you are an aspirant, maybe you will meet those people in your SSBs or maybe in your coaching centers, or for that matter, maybe on online different portals. So the first thing that you can easily test out of them is if they're complaining about their stay, like the food is not good, my mattresses was not fine, that bathroom was very bad. So these things which they complain, they should actually, the people who are good, they actually appreciate things around them. So when you appreciate things which you have, you will get more. This is very famous statement by Oprah Winfrey, that if you are going to appreciate things which you already have, then Lord will give you more and more. But if you're going to complain about the things which you don't have, you will always end up miserably. Now this was the first set of people. The second set of people are those who have problem for every solution. Now, I need to tell you all, every friend circle has a person of this sort. Unfortunately, yes. The thing is with these people is very, very normal. What happens is when they fail to provide a solution, what they do, they start, counting all the weaknesses of somebody else's solution. Even if the solution is not adopted, even if the solution is not implemented, before testing the result, they come up with a failed plan for that solution. Now, what happens is these people are actually, in the trap of inferiority complex. What happens is they don't have brain, they don't have intelligence, they don't have that sort of thinking skills to think about the solution of any particular problem. So what they do is, in order to lower down the morale of the person who comes up with the solution, they start taking out the problems in that solution. So try to stay away from these people. You can test them, by playing with them. Let's say you have a football match, or let's say for example a volleyball match with them. So what you'll see is, any set of strategy or any plan you should make with the team, these people will say that this will not work. And when they say it, just run away from them. They are not deserving your company at all. Rather, try to help those people also who are in trap of their company by telling them that this is the sort of person who will point out the problem in every solution that we're going to make. Now the third category of people. Now these sort of people I personally stay away from. These are the cheaters or the liars. Very simple example are those people who say that, oh, my preparation is not up to the point, I don't know about this thing, but if you will go with them, then they will be performing very good in that. For example, let's say that a person, many people give example of the toppers of their class. They say that, toppers, they say that I haven't prepared for anything, but when the results are out, they would have passed it with flying colors. So this is, you can say it in, out of fun or joke, but sometimes that's the reality of that person. That person will possess food and money, but if you are in need, they will not share it with you. So the people who cheat or lie have a very strong tendency of leaving you alone in the cases when you are expecting help of them. Yes, even if you will need help, they will not turn up for you. As in the picture, you can see that human beings, they actually cheat animals for their uses. Be it milk use, be it butter or anything, they actually sort of harass that animal for their need. And that sort of psychology, in which you are not going to take into consideration the sensitivity of the opposite person, is not the characteristic of a human being. So those people who lie to you about small things, very small things, like even if they possess money, they won't give, even if you need it, or even if you give them the assurance that you are going to return it back. So stay away from these sort of people. They will break your trust. If they have done it once, do not give them the second chance. Then comes the category of people who speak poorly about others, like he or she is not well behaved, he or she is not having good manners, he or she is not helping at all. If that person is ready enough to talk in that derogatory manner about someone else, that person is going to repeat the same thing for you as well. Because you will be the third person in another conversation. So please, those people who do not have respect for others, do not expect them to give you the share of respect which you deserve, and hence stay away from them. Then are those people who very readily, without wasting any time, blame other people. Like those people who blame their parents, those people who blame their circumstances. As a matter of fact, if a person is determined enough to achieve the goal, no hurdle, no problem, nothing comes on their way. Whatever the situation, circumstances or resources they are provided, they are going to take out their best outcome from that. But in case those people who are, very chronic complainers, what they do is they start complaining or blaming their parents. They say that because of their parents' incapability of providing so and so, they're not able to achieve the things in their life. Or for that matter, people who complain about the circumstances, like I was not well, I was not doing good, my parents didn't help me, my friend didn't help me. So these sort of people who just put on blame on other people just in order to play safe and keep themselves away from the allegations, these people are not trustworthy enough. Don't trust them and just be away from them. You may come across such people in your offices wherein your boss, your manager or any of your colleague, they put on allegations on other people for the failure of their job. So stay away from them. And comes those category of people who always feel entitled. These are the people who are compliment seeker. For example, let's say there is a project in which you are working, and for XYZ solution, some other person is being complimented. Then these sort of people, they feel very offended. They want every time, everyone just to praise for them. And these sort of people who always want appreciation, they are actually depressed people. Why? Because they do the job for the compliment. If the compliment is not given, they feel depressed. And if you're going to be with them, the same sort of energy of depression will come to you as well. So, as a person who is starting or thinking about defense forces, for a person who thinks that he or she should be in defense forces, must stay away from these sort of people, because we all are social animals. When we live with someone, we are in effect of those people. So, the moment you are going to be with these sort of people, on that day only your deterioration will start. So, in order to avoid that, please choose your friends or so-called people with whom you are going to spend your time very wisely, because as someone has very rightly said, that you are the average of people with whom you spend your time. So I believe that all these sort of people from whom I have suggested you all to stay away, you will recognize them through their habits and you will pledge not to go back to them again. So till the next video, take care, be home and be safe. Jai Hind.